This is a tutorial for your front hook. So this is one of my favourite moves. It looks really, really pretty. Whether you do it forwards or backwards, looks good. High up the pole, low down the pole. It's just a great move. So let's do this together. So follow me. So we're going to put the inside arm nice and high up the pole. Not so much that your shoulders coming into your ear and you're hanging like this. You want to always be in control of what your back's doing. So you're pulling your shoulder blades down your back, you're engaging all of those lovely back muscles. And then from there, your outside arm comes across the chest, not high up. That's a common mistake where people take it too high and then they end up in a different plane, which is not very good. So outside arm, chest level. Inside leg is going to just go in front of the pole. So actually, let's take that arm off a second, just while you measure this. We're going to take that inside foot and point it past the pole and in front of it. So if I just turn around just to show you that position. So there, you can see that the pole has just met the back of my knee. And that's really important because when you're working with this, you're starting to learn grip points, and the back of the knee is going to offer that with a grip point, which means it's going to be holding some of your weight and it's not all just going to be in your arms. So let's go through that together again. So we've got standing next to the pole, everything's relaxed, inside arm high, but not so much that your shoulders in your ear. Then from there, let's point that foot, let's take the leg first, bend the heel towards your bum, outside arm comes to chest level, and then from there you push off that bottom foot to project your hips forward. So there's like a bit of a pelvic thrust forward, and then that's what holds you into the position. And then this foot, this big toe goes to meet the other big toe, which is behind. So let's just do that together now. So push off, and then your head goes back, and then you extend in the outside leg to land, to step. And that's it, that's your front hook. Let's take it to the other side of the body, as always. So let's stand next to the pole. Inside arm goes nice and high, up, pull your muscles down. Like if you just hold the side of your body there, you'll feel when you're engaged. Okay, so you should feel that little muscle, big or little muscle, whichever one you've got, it will activate, it will engage. Okay, so you'll feel that. And then we've got the inside leg, cuts across. So see the way I'm not lifting it high up off the floor? It's important that moment. Bend the heel in towards your bum, outside arm across your chest, push off this bottom foot, throw your head back, push your hips forward, toes meet, knees apart. Go. Extend the outside leg, and then come to stand. Okay, so that's your front hook. Really, really fun little move that I just love to do so much. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.